What's up, y'all? This is Cam, aka Presidential Cam. I'm the president of Chapter 51, Crown Vic Boys and Girls of Cincinnati, Ohio. Most of y'all that follow me already know that, but you know, I've been with CVB for about 13 years now. I'm the one of the people that have started, actually. Only one from the very beginning that's still around. But, you know, people come, people leave. And, you know, it just is what it is. Also the regional vice president of the region that I'm in. So I oversee, I think it's about 12 other chapters in our region for different, different issues that's going on. I'm gonna try to do something different, and I'm gonna be posting a couple of videos actually, of me putting in a new music system. It's not necessarily a tutorial. I don't go into explicit detail on how to do it. It's just, showing y'all, me putting in a new, TV deck, music, subs, speakers, all that stuff. So, it took me about 4 days to do it, just for different reasons. You'll see later. But hopefully you guys enjoy and, see my process. But other than that, I like Crown Vic. I've always liked Crown Vic. So I'm going to try to start, recording myself doing different things that I've done. There's a lot of people that be wanting to see how I do certain stuff, and I always forget. So I'm going to try to start making videos of me doing any type of upgrades I do to my car. So the first thing that I'm gonna do that I remember to do is gonna be my music. I took the old one out already, which I should have recorded it, but I forgot. But I recorded the whole process of me putting a new one in, so you'll get to see that. I'm still editing a few videos from the last day or two, but it'll be ready by this weekend from when I posted. So yeah. Got the new speakers. First thing I gotta do, had this problem 6 years ago. Speaker was too big for the hole for the box. So before I even put anything in, I'm gonna test it out real quick. Make sure that it's big enough. This bad boy is heavy. All right, moment of truth. And just like I thought, it don't fit all the way in. Speaker too big. So, plan B, you gotta go take the box to the audio shop, have them cut it, make the hole bigger. The way my Square Audio 15-inch subwoofers will fit in the box. Alright, let me just put that in later. Should be big enough, so that's good. So took the old system out, got a brand new one. So now I'm about to ride to the shop, get me a new system put in. Hopefully I can cut the box today so I can start installing my system. Because even though I got wires ran, I'm getting brand new wires ran through the car. I'm taking all the old ones out and going from there. So if they can't do it today, then I'll just finish up tomorrow. It'll be the weekend, so I'll have plenty of time. But it'll get done next day or two. So off to the shop we go. So I'm right around the corner from the audio shop, Extreme Sound. Since we ain't there yet. So the reason I'm getting a new system is the one that I had before, I got it back in 2018. I had a 215-inch two 15-inch American bass speakers. I had power acoustics before that, but I had two 15-inch American bass speakers I put in 2018, and they worked perfectly for the following 6 years. But last year had a trip out the country, and I flew out of Indianapolis, so I drove my car down there to Indy and let my car stay at a friend's house while I was gone. Long story short, when I came back from my trip, my speakers no longer worked. So for the past year, I've been trying to figure out why my system ain't working, and I couldn't figure it out. So I just took everything out and decided to buy a new one. And here we are now. Okay, he's still open. So let's park right here by the front door, so I ain't gotta carry it that far. We're here. I called them on the way here, made sure they was open. And like I said, I went here last year to do it, so let's get it done.
How's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What can I do for you?
I just called about getting my speaker boxes cut wider so I can get myself to fit.
Just hang tight and let me. The guy who would have to do it is coming up here, so I'll have him.
Okay.
Cut it.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Get the stuff ready. Got the bombshell. Can't wait to see how these hit. So
What kind of subs are they?
Scar. I got a speaker in the back if you need it to measure it.
Let me pull one out. All right.
I need one of them meters to test to see if this map fucked up. Messed up earlier.
Yeah, the problem you're going to have with this particular box, you're probably going to blow it apart. because it's made out of the thinner wood. But I mean, put them in there and see.
Yeah, so cut it out. Just
Yeah.
like the XFLs. That's what that looks like, is an XFL.
Yeah, yeah, kind of. What do you figure as far as trimming it out?
I don't know, that's up to you.
Probably 50, 60 bucks.
Yeah, it probably won't be done till later tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Depends on how much he has to trim out. It may be as much as 75, but it's probably closer to 50, 60. All right, go ahead and take the sub out of there, and then let's get the box out of here.
I want to leave one of them here.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Put it back in the box, and then just leave it here. So that way when he trims it out, but like I said, you know, I don't know how long that box will last with that sub.
Yeah, what
I
kind
ain't gonna have a stuff suit now. If it breaks out the top.
What kind of amp is it?
Maybe like 6,000 watt. Gravity amp.
I'd say 1,500 watts, it might last for a while, but
That's what I had was 1,500. My last
you're gonna have to get an MTX box. It's the only thing that'll work.
I mean, you're to see how long it lasts. I mean, that's all you can do.
Yeah.
So,
I just get it out of the box.
yeah.
So I can't do it this
Okay.
way.
Well, let's go ahead and get this box out of here. Handy, or just grab. You got it? Go ahead and go past.
I guess they want to be done until tomorrow. They say they won't be done till tomorrow, so I'll be back tomorrow to pick it up and finish the install. So